Welcome back, guys, nice to see you. Usually you see me at the river or maybe in the woods cooking over fire, but today I'm indoors because to show you those big adventures in crisp 4K I need a computer that can handle it. So I bought this, the brand new M4 Mac Mini. This thing is a beast. It's tiny, it's fast, it's sleek, but I bought the base model. It only has 256 gigabytes of storage, and in my world this is nothing. That is like bringing sandwich bag to pack out a deer. It just won't fit. Maybe one day of fishing footage and this drive is maxed out. Now normally Apple wants all of your money to upgrade this to 2 terabytes. On their website it costs absolute fortune. We are talking high-end fishing kayak money or maybe top-tier camping gear money. And honestly, I would rather spend my cash on bait than on bites. But here is the secret. For years people said you cannot upgrade Apple Silicon. They said it is soldered down, impossible to fix, stuck forever. Well folks, they were wrong, at least for the M4. This machine has a removable storage module, so I hopped on Amazon and found this bad boy. A 2 terabyte internal SSD kit. It cost me a fraction of the price, and today I'm performing open heart surgery. I'm not doing ugly cables, no external drives. I'm fixing the guts of the machine. I never done this before, but I hope I can do this. Let's get into it. Okay guys, I got a deep sea SSD drive. I bought it on Amazon. They give me invoice for $374. It's about 250 pounds. It's quite a nice box. Got a tiny SSD inside. Got instructions. And it looks like there's a screwdriver and some prying tools to help me open the MacBook. Let's put this aside. Okay, now I need to flip it over. Got the screwdriver and I got 3 bits inside. Now I just need to open it up. Okay, this thing looks like very flimsy. I think I will use my Stanley knife. Yes, that's much better. Okay, I can get my, yes, got one corner popped, another one. I'll just slide it around. Yes, another one up. That's it, guys. I got the back plate open. I'll just put this to one side. Now I need to find the right bit to open it up. I think this is it. Got so many tiny screws in there. Let's open them up one by one. Yes. And this one's off. Now I need to remove the fan. I think this one needs another screwdriver bit. Okay, I got all the screws out. Just lift the fan. And there it is, guys. I just need to remove the screw and pull the SSD out. There it's out. They look identical to me. Okay, let's put the new one in there. Yes, it's in. Screw it down. Put the fan back on. And now I need to do everything in reverse. Just put all the screws back. Okay, fan is done. Should get this cover on. Okay, the screw's done. Just need to pop the back cover back on. And that's it, guys. Okay, guys, got massive 2 TB M4 Mac Mini. Feels good saving that much money. Now there's a catch, because Apple likes to be tricky. It's not plug and play. The computer has to accept the SSD. I have to put it in a DFU mode and use another Mac to revive it. It takes about 10 minutes. Okay, guys, got the SSD done. Now I just need to put the Mac into the DFU mode. Hold the power button and then plug it in. Yes, I got the orange light blinking now. Plug in the Thunderbolt cable in the middle spot and then just plug it in to my other Mac. Yes, now I can see my Mac in the Finder and I can click to restore it. Yes, it's downloading the software update. There's about 6 minutes remaining. Just need to wait for it to finish and hopefully it will be all set up. Alright, we back up. Let's check the settings about this Mac, storage, and boom, there it is, 2 TB. Native speeds, internal storage, no dongles at all. I can load every single fishing log I have filmed and still have a room for the next trip. And the best part, the money I saved is going straight into the fun fund. I might get a new bivvy or update my fishing gear, and thanks to this Amazon find I can afford it. Don't let tech prices keep you inside. Get creative, fix it yourself, and save the cash. If you want to see more of my videos, make sure you smash that subscribe button. That's it, I'm done with computers for the day, and hopefully next time I will see you on the water. Cheers, guys!